Welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic, where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Walking Dead No Man's Land game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. After it is opened up, tap on the search button and then type in Walking Dead and begin your search. Now, once you find the Walking Dead No Man's Land game, just tap on it and you will find the install button. Tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of this game on your device. Once the installation is completed, you can tap on the play button and now this will open up the game on your device. Once the loading is completed, you will be taken through the basic tutorials and you can now start enjoying the game on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Walking Dead No Man's Land game on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.